Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how long do you have a file or claim with Progressive Insurance. If you are dealing with a crash or damage and wondering how long you have to file a claim with Progressive Insurance, this video will clear it up in easy terms. There's no extra number that apply to everyone, but the general rule is report your accident or loss as soon as possible, ideally right away or within a few days to a week. Insurance company like Progressive want fresh photo of damage, clear details while memory are fresh, better covers with policy report. Waiting too long can make it harder to verify what happened. Your extra deadline might be in your policy contract. Some policies say you must report immediately within a reasonable time or within 30 days. Always check your document or call Progressive to be sure. What happens if you want too long? If you delay responding, Progressive may question details. Your claim should be slowed down. In rare case, your coverage might not apply. So don't wait. File as soon as you can. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.